From starting up anytime. They just run that problem with other and then they got going I got a linear amplifier to get a signal out. The voltage is too low. On the rock is too low to get it out. It's only put on the 20 watts. So a little bit of a low power to the couple of 2,000 detail makes it a very, very good amplifier.
Yeah, roger that, Jim. Yeah, I like the analog too, but as you know, our future generation will be going digital, and you know, it's probably good for us to stay up a little bit. I noticed some of the older Americans now have got internet, and they're doing texting and all that too. And you know, we have to stay a little bit current with the next generation. I think that's important that we acknowledge them as well. You know, things always change. Really, nothing stays the same. And of course, analog, yeah, is very, very versatile. I agree. You could do a lot with it, and of course, it's still being utilized in the digital age. There, it's kind of what's driving the digital age. So. Yeah, roger that, Deon. Very good. Your signal is still booming in. I ran out of audio or of our video feed there on one of my cameras because our contact was that long, over 200 megabytes, my friend. So be sure to check that out on the web on YouTube.com, and you'll hear yourself. I actually had some footage as well of you working Brazil. Maybe I'll upload that for you if you'd like there. Roger that, over.
It will be really, really nice for me, it's always nice to hear the equipment that other people are using. Very, very nice equipment. It's a frequency something. It's really amplifier. When you support that like the program of 2,000
Oh, an amplifier to go with the Cobra, you're saying, right? There's some nice ones. Galaxy makes some nice small ones, and then of course Texas Star. The Texas, what do they call it? Texas something or other. Those are outstanding, and from what I've read, and very, very sturdy there, Roger.
It is like a small town or even in South Africa. People are also so keen about amateur radio. I'm also on the amateur radio. I'm also an amateur. And but I like my CB radio as on the frequency 27.555. But yes, there are so many people who are so keen to learn all the things from radio and CB radio and things. You must do it for that. And people don't have to interest in it anymore. Maybe to give it to the next generation. But yes, I will try in my life to get someone who will be interested in that. It will back to you.
Yeah, roger that, Deon. My friend in South Africa, roger that. There was another amplifier mentioned, another station jumped in there. I'm going to let him QSK there. It might be Jim in Colorado. I don't know if you've worked Colorado before. It might be Jim in Colorado, Deon. That other station, go ahead real quick. This is Lima Victor 412 and 44 Echo Tango, South Africa. Go ahead with that amplifier name, over.
QSO. Can you just give me time? I just want to exact station from Federal Range. I'm running one right now, a KLV 400 that's doing about 250. They make a KLV 400 and a KLV 1000 QSO. Frequency, and can you copy the station of 44ET310?
Yeah, Deon, I'm still here. Yeah, Scotty up here around Chicago. Yeah, a guy out of Santa Monica, California jumped in there, and he said the KLV 400's a good one. He's on it now. Kilo Lima Victor 400. Deon, did you copy that? Over.
Just come back again, Scott, please. Just come back again. I didn't get the start because while there was another station on the frequency.
Yeah, a guy in Santa Monica, California said the KLV, Kilo Lima Victor 400, he's using, and he loves it there, Roger.
Yes, that's a linear amplifier. Is that a linear amplifier?
Yeah, he said it's a linear amplifier, and it works really well. Kilo Lima Victor 400. I don't know if he can hear you. Deon. He's in, I think, Santa Monica, California there. Over.
Yeah, you will be surprised if I tell you last week or 2 weeks ago, I spoke to a station in California. I came here to get a station from South Africa at 10 o'clock in the night to California. That is a record. I'm telling you, you want to really start to 3 or 4 stations there. And for me, it's like a record for people, talking to people in California. When you're talking to Lima Victor 412, but the KLV 400 or the KLV 1000 is a...
Yeah, Jim, hold on 1 second. I mean, Deon, hold on 1 second.
Work on 11 meters, the QSO?
It will work on 11?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm on 11 meters right now with it, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Well, Jim was wondering, and so was, or Deon was wondering, and so was I, on a good recommendation. So the KLV 400, I guess, comes, Deon, he said it comes already modified for 11 meters. So I'll tell you what, Deon, in South Africa, I really don't think you need an amplifier. That 20 whiskeys out of that Cobra is outstanding, my friend, with that antenna. What brand of antenna was that again? Over.
Four element Yagi on that thing.
Just a 4-element. Is it a Mako or a Stereo?
No. It is I made it myself. It is not a commercial one. I made it by myself.
Roger, on the homebrew, Deon, do you have the specifications on that? I would be interested in seeing it. It's working so well.
Yes, I've got it. I've got that information. If you want it, if you send an email, I will send it to you back. Yes, it is only 4 elements, and it is like a normal. The spacing is all the same. It is 4.6 feet spacing between the elements. Then the driven element is about 17.4 feet long, and the back one is 18.6. Then from the first director, that is 16.4 feet, and then the next director to the fourth one, that is 16 feet. But I will send it for you. If you send your email and your things, I will send it for you. It is a very, very simple thing, and the farmer makes it just works with a 24-inch 10mm aluminium pipe, which we take a piece of antenna wire, obtain a mix approval wire and you put it into that pipe, and you make a garment match out of it, and you make a strap. But I was saying, all the details, it is working very, very good. I'm working for many years now with that thing. But you know what? I know the four elements exactly. And I turned that thing, I turned the bottle on an angle of 45 degrees. You have to really trust. I put that one on the angle of 45 degrees. I'm really out of it. Vertical and horizontal. At the same time, I do not why do you get the horizontal and vertical out of the tendency now. Because on this nice vertical, there's no vertical angle. Now, in between the horizontal angle and the vertical angle. So the blade in that angle is 90 degrees or 180 degrees. This is like 260 degrees. If you take it from another angle, 260 degrees, and then the other angle is from through. So it is 2 degrees horizontal and the vertical, if you can understand my explanation for you.
Yeah, roger that, Deon. That's your secret, man. You just let the secret out. That explains it. And I'll tell you what, that's why I've been leaning to the V-Quad, a V-Quad style antenna. I've got that already on the roof of my vehicle, very similar to the V-Quad on my vehicle. And I've talked all over Europe in the last few months with it, with outstanding signal reports, Deon, 5x8 out of my mobile with under about 75 whiskeys is all. And you've hit the nail on the head, I believe, there, old man, with the twisting of the Yagi at a 45-degree angle. Absolutely, absolutely. And you know what? If you look at that the Joe Gunn antenna, they've got some very similar angles to that, and they sell their antennas for very, very big money. So